to indicate that yes, I know it will not be easy. I've asked and I put into the supplementary monies to verify certificates from NEC. And this one has to be very clear. NEC is going to give us the correct grades or results which people got, because we know many of our people, many of the employees of the county must have gotten certificates. Even some of them joined the university using fake what? Certificates, Form 4 certificates. That's the time the rubber will be meeting the road. And I can assure you, I'm happy my team is here, the members of the county assembly. After that, we'll be paying directly money to NEC. They accepted to have it at a half price because it's government to government for the all 5,900 employees. Kwa hivyo mtaona watu wakipiga nduru na wakubali yaishe. Kama waliingia kwa certificate ambazo hazikuwa mzuri, walitengeneza zao zingine. See, they have been saying Simba hajaenda shule. Sasa nataka nione wale ambao hawakwenda shule. Tutapambana na wao. We must have, people must earn from where they have done what? So, and worked. Kwa hivyo, hii exercise naona kwamba ni mzuri, mambo bado. Lazima tutengeneze Kisii yetu. Wanasema taa imezima, taa yambo na yo kire. Haba gusie. Tutamlika hii maneno. Kwa hivyo nataka niwashukuru. We are going to do our part. And this is about our generation. Nobody will save us. Nobody will fall from heaven. We must be angels of our own times.